Hi there, I am Matthew. Welcome to my channel, Health Tips. Today we have an interesting topic, the top 5 health benefits of yoga. Bored of the same old fitness routine? It's time to dust off that yoga mat. Whether you opt for power, hot, or hatha, the various advantages of this 5,000-year-old practice are endless. Here are but a mere handful of the plethora of health benefits that yoga has to offer. Number 1 is flexibility. Is your body becoming less flexible than your schedule? With proper instruction, yoga can be an excellent way to stretch your muscles and increase the range of motion in your joints. By practicing the asanas, or poses, regularly, you can help release the lactic acid buildup that is a common cause of those early morning aches and pains. Number 2 Posture. Nobody likes a slouch. Through practicing the numerous standing and sitting yoga asanas, you will have a good reason to stand tall. By using your abdominal muscles to maintain a pose, you significantly strengthen your core, making it easier to straighten your back and rid yourself of that pesky slouch. Number 3 Breathing. Find yourself out of breath far too often? Due to the deep, mindful breathing that is necessary in yoga, you can strengthen your lung capacity, as well as your endurance. This can be incredibly helpful for running enthusiasts and those looking to increase their athletic performance. Number 4 Less stress. Yoga can help you find a sense of calm that is unfortunately far too common in our hectic day-to-day life. Many styles of yoga use certain meditation techniques that can help mute the mind chatter that is often the root of anxiety and stress. Deep breathing also pushes you to focus on your breath and clear your mind, which can bring a much-needed sense of calmness and serenity. Number 5 Heart health. Sure, a bowl of Cheerios may help lower your blood pressure, but so can a warrior sequence. Studies have shown that yoga can slow down your heart rate, a great benefit those with blood pressure issues, as well as heart diseases.